This is the second tutorial on how to calculate percentages. Let's review the definition. A percentage is a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. 120% of 300 then is 120 over 100, which represents 120%, times 300. This is equal to 360. The only tools you need to calculate percentages are that you need to know how to multiply and how to divide. Let's do some examples. What is 40% of 300? 40% is the fraction 40 over 100. 40% of 300 then is 40 over 100 times 300. Canceling the common factor of 100, this can be written as 40 times 3, or 120. Therefore, 40% of 300 is 120. Let's work out another example. What is 75% of 20? 75% is the fraction 75 over 100. 75% of 20 is 75 over 100 times 20. You can cancel the common factor of 10, then multiply 75 by 2 to get the ratio 150 over 10. You can divide this to get the answer 15. Therefore, 75% of 20 is 15. Let's do another example. What percentage of 15 is the number 12? In other words, if you take the ratio 12 over 15, what is that as a percentage? First, let's simplify the fraction 12 over 15. 12 over 15 can be written as 3 times 4 divided by 3 times 5. Canceling the common factor of 3, this can be written as the ratio 4 over 5. Now, we want to express the fraction 4 over 5 as a percentage. 4 over 5 times 100 equals 4 times 20, dividing the 5 into the 100, which is equal to 80. Therefore, 12 is 80% of 15. Let's do another example. What percentage of 400 is the number 136? In other words, the fraction 136 divided by 400 is what when expressed as a percentage? First, let's simplify the fraction 136 over 400. It turns out that you can write 136 over 400 as 8 times 17 divided by 8 times 50. Canceling the common factor of 8, this is the fraction 17 over 50. We now want to express this fraction as a percentage. So we take the fraction 17 over 50 and multiply it by 100. This is simply 17 times 2, which is equal to 34. Therefore, 136 is 34% of 400.